Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Monday 30th of September. Looking at cable, which has just dropped away in the past week or so. A little bit of a tick higher today, but it's interesting that this tick high has not really managed to get going in terms of a recovery again. The posting of five negative candles of the past 6 sessions, pretty much with closes not a million miles off the low of the session, just adds to the air that this is still a negative configured market and turning increasingly corrective. And you look at the fact that the momentum indicators are falling away, that negative bear cross on the MACD lines, the stochastics which are falling away into bearish configuration, and also RSI under 50, it all sort of paints a picture of growing correction. You didn't quite get a closing breach of 2280, which is a bit of a reaction low that we saw through the rally in earlier September. Didn't quite get that on Friday. Market closing pretty much just a shade above that, but I think ultimately if we do see closing breach of 2280, again you can see that here on the hourly chart, basis of support held pretty much through this morning. But again, negative configuration on the hourly indicators. MACD lines still underneath neutral, despite the fact that we've picked up. RSI still is that failing at 60 now and going back under 30. So it's all sort of still painting a picture of a corrective market, even though we have ticked higher today. I wouldn't be taking that as the prospects of a recovery. You've got resistance overhead 2380. That on the daily chart is effectively a pivot line now. So a failure underneath 2380 in any rebound situation, I think, is still not great, really. You could argue that the base pattern is still a dominant feature of this chart, but I think unless you get the market back above 2380, which is this pivot that we've seen since July, then I think that the pressure could well continue to grow to the downside, given the momentum indicators as well. So this is a really important rally that needs to continue to run. And if it fails at 2305, for example, and closes back underneath 23 figure, then back above back under 2280 on a closing basis, that would really suggest the market is building momentum to the downside, and you're starting to build a run of lower highs and lower lows. So interesting moment for cable. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and also go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.